I don't think you need this.
Well, it floats.
Yeah, so do all those bobbers over there.
That's what I was saying.
Those look like unprofessional bobbers.
I was not expecting to actually catch one. We got a bass. Oh my God! I got one! No! We are in the middle of a forest right now. Like the middle.
On a serious note, this is actually really sad.
Scoop. 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 Tasty food. Hey, mama. Here. And look how big the piglets are. Look at you, you're so big. Look at them. They are growing so fast, it's insane. And mama is about ready to get the heck out of here. She's got about another week with the babies, and then I'm gonna bring her back to the farm and leave the babies in here until they get a little bit bigger, or it's safe for them to go to the farm themselves. Right now they're too tiny, they'll probably get eaten by a coyote or something. I know they're quick, but it's really sketchy bringing them out there that small. Mama just can't be like abused at this point because they're just ruthless. They'll just keep on milking her. She never gets a break. But while raising them, it's no problem. But once they're good and they don't need mom's milk anymore, about 4 to 6 weeks, then mom goes back to the farm, which they will reunite once the babies get a little bit bigger. But you guys need to start getting used to people, which they're already a little bit better. Bambi's the best. This is the best one. Mama's gotten so good over time, but she's getting all skinny, so it's almost about that time to bring her back to the farm. Anyway, what is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Today, it is an extra upload. I uploaded yesterday. Typically, I do every other day or every like 3 days. I uploaded yesterday. I'm posting this one today because it's just I have extra footage I filmed in Texas, but it's awesome. And then I'm also uploading tomorrow, so stay tuned, Cuffaros. I'm pumping them out for you, grinding them out for you. Hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already. Smash the like button, and without further ado, after the sponsor of today's video, we get right on into it. Enjoy. Today's video is sponsored by Live Aquaria. A little bit more on Live Aquaria. It is your one-stop shop for pretty much anything you can think of aquarium related. It has some of the finest fish in the world and anything you'd ever need for your aquarium. With Live Aquaria, you are guaranteed the finest product from our very own farm straight to your doorstep. Now that you know a little bit more about Live Aquaria, this is what they're doing for you guys. We call it Thanks Giveaway. Live Aquaria is giving back to the aquarium hobby community by giving one $1,000 gift certificate to go on a shopping spree and 5 $200 gift certificates to go on more shopping spree. So there will be a total of 6 different winners here. The winners will be able to purchase anything with their gift certificate, any fish, live plants, corals, any supplies you can think of for your aquarium. Let's just say you name it, they've got it. Head over to liveaquaria.com and sign up. All you've got to do is like, follow, and subscribe to Live Aquaria on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. All the links are down in the description below. Again, be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to Live Aquaria on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. And you have the chance at either one of 5 $200 gift cards or the big old $1,000 prize to just go on a full shopping spree. It's gift back season, baby! Now the launch date is October 26th, 2021. So that's today. And the winner will be selected nearly a month from now on November 23rd, 2021. Thank you so much, Live Aquaria, for sponsoring today's video. Now, without further ado, enjoy. This is my first time at Circle A, like Circle K, but it's Circle A. I don't know, never been here before. What is this place called?
It's Academy, Paul. How have you not been to an Academy?
Dude, just like you never been to a Publix in Florida.
Okay,
simple.
alright, it's not the same thing though.
No?
This is Academy.
Well, we don't have these in Florida, so. We are in the fishing section. I'm thinking I should get a rod. You know, I should just buy this rod and then leave it at Brenton's house when I leave tomorrow morning. Listen, we're trying to catch a big alligator gar. I want to catch a big gar, so we're here. We're gonna get some lures, and along with hopefully catching a big alligator gar, we're gonna be rescuing a bunch of fish. This place is crazy. You're gonna witness it in just a second. We need to buy tackle though to get today's day started. That was a little aggressive, jeesh. This is 18 inches long, heavy wire leader. Okay. This could work. I don't know for sure, but it's gonna work. We're giving it a try. And then 5/0. This is a little thin. Let's do these hooks right here. 6/0, super thick. Not gonna bend out on us. Is that big enough? What kind of bait are we fishing? Like thick meat?
I was personally thinking we go get a full-size rotisserie chicken from Walmart.
Dude, you know you put this on like a shrimp, so when you jig it, it makes noise. I don't think you need this.
Well, it floats.
Yeah, so do all those bobbers over there.
That's what I was saying.
Those look like unprofessional bobbers.
We're gonna get these right here.
You seriously want to use that?
Yes, dude. This is like the OG of bobbers.
Can we at least use like...
How about you get your own tackle and I'll get my own?
That's a dart.
Are y'all trying to make this a battle now?
This could be a battle if you want it to be, because I will catch one before you.
We have one rod.
We can get another.
Not if I buy another. Don't think I won't. Bought one. There we go. Has line on it already and everything.
All right.
Catch me outside. How about that?
Oh, chicken liver. See.
Is that chicken liver?
Oh, that's pretty hard. Like we could get this whole thing.
That is what we need. Oh, we sold them out. Oh, yeah, this is nice and bloody. All right. I think we're good, man.
Yeah, we're
I don't know
definitely.
if a 7-foot gar is gonna eat a little chunk like this, but it's worth a try. Who cares,
I mean, you
man?
might be a little hungry today.
It's gonna be an epic day regardless. And just in case, I like to call these a knife.
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 Farted.
Oh, dude, let's get out of here, man. That's where we fish?
Bro, this is some money fishing right here. Bass fishing.
This is it?
Yeah, but we're going to the back.
Oh. Good bass fishing, you say, huh?
God, I hope he doesn't catch anything.
I was not expecting to actually catch one. We got a bass.
No cuts. Wow. First cast. That was beautiful.
Beautiful specimen. Is that a good sign for today or a bad sign?
That's a good sign for today. That's a real one. Yeah, that's it right there. Paul. Paul. Paul, we have to go. Paul, stop.
a big old hook right there. Boom. Leader, hook, connect the bobber to the top, and we got a rig. All right, swing her out. 5/0 hook, chicken liver, wire leader with a bobber. Give her a cast, see what we can catch. Let's hope for a gar or catfish. Or just a fish, anything could eat it.
Oh yeah.
This is a legit beaver dam?
I'm not lying to you, this is a beaver dam.
Oh. We're on the move, walking to the dried up part of this lake. So this side is full, which is actually kind of low compared to what it normally is. And then this side over here is like dead dry. Oh my gosh, it's literally so dried up.
When has anyone ever come back here?
Since your video you made.
We're barefoot too.
Yeah. These are people tracks. Like a lot. Look at my feet just sink right into it. Everything's gone.
Everything's dead. It's so sad.
Gone. Whoever came back here took them all. Oh yeah, this is nice and juicy, dude.
Wow.
They're in a single gar.
That's sad, bro.
This used to be a pond. They're all vanished. So something
Yeah.
either ate them or the person's tracks was maybe someone that works at the golf course that we're at, and they collected them because it started to reek. But I mean, there was so many when you came, dude.
Oh, hold up. Chill. Oh my God! I got one! No! I got one. I got a fish. We gotta get him back in. He's free. Yes, bro. On a serious note, this is actually really sad. It's so hard to kill one of those fish unless you take water away from it, which is exactly what happened. Bro, look at that. That's crazy. That's crazy, bro. They're probably everywhere.
What, did you bring a fishing rod? You
Yeah.
trying to fish in here or something?
You never know, there could be water. All that grass over there will soon be water. Like if you give this thing a few more rains, this whole thing will be full, connect to the other pond. Those fish will swim in here thinking it's part of the pond. It'll start to dry.
And then everything cycles over again and everything dies again. Yep. So it's the cycle of life here at this pond. We have so many different experiences on this channel, and hence why I love traveling. I just walked right into a spider web. That's because you experience so many different things, and it's even cooler that I get to share it with you guys, the Cuffaros watching. We are in the middle of a forest right now. Like the middle.
Maybe a little.
This is some Florida right here.
Yep.
No shoes, walking through a forest. All right.
You're the only other person who will do this.
There was no dead gar. Throughout the video, you've seen that I've been overlaying clips when Brenton was here, and there was so many dead gar. On the bright side though, we are fishing. So we're gonna see if we can get anything that was dried up over there in what is water now. Got a couple different rods out. Different type of content. You know what I'm saying? We can't always be walking around PC Farm. We're in Texas.
Yeehaw!
Yeehaw! Well, I'm sitting here watching bobbers. No bites. Lots of planes flying by. It's just not producing, man. Been out here for hours. I think we're literally on hour number 4. Anyway, Cuffaros, not looking too hot. Alligator Gar mission has been a failure. We still had an absolute blast today. It was a very fun day. That was so beautiful. Right there's a professional rock skipper, I guess. I just wanted to pick up the GoPro and just tell you how much I appreciate you watching right now. How much I appreciate you for always watching the channel. And this is exactly why it's called fishing, not catching. We did a whole lot. From searching for gar, to fishing for gar,
Fishing for bass.
to then trying to catch carp. And after failing on every single one of those besides bass fishing, that's honestly such a dope shot right there. It's all blue skies with the plane. Anyway, we had an epic day. I'll post this video after like I post another one, so this is kind of just like an extra upload. We did some cool stuff. I love each and every one of you. Check out PC merch, top link in the description, pokefairbrand.com, and I'll see you right back.
You vlog your merch?
I did. It's rare of me. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace! .30-minute walk.
That was a really, really long walk.